Protect your digital gold from hackers and scammers. Imagine waking up one day to find your cryptocurrency wallet empty, as if your digital gold vanished overnight. Panic sets in, and you wonder, could I have done something to prevent this? Don't worry, you're not alone in this digital roller coaster ride. Today, we'll unravel the secrets of cryptocurrency and blockchain security so you can sleep soundly knowing your digital assets are safer than a treasure chest guarded by a dragon. Introduction. Cryptocurrencies are like the rock stars of the financial world, flashy, unpredictable, and full of potential. But just like a rock star's life, it's not all glitz and glam. With great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, great risk. As cryptocurrencies rise in popularity, they've become a favorite target of hackers, scam artists, and digital pirates. That's why understanding the security issues around exchanges and blockchain technologies is crucial. Let's dive into the cryptic world and uncover the strategies for avoidance, protection, and recovery. Understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain security. Cryptocurrency exchanges and blockchain technology are like the Wild West of the digital world, excited but filled with outlaws lurking in the shadows. Security issues with cryptocurrency exchanges. Hacking. Exchanges are like candy stores for hackers. In 2022 alone, over $3 billion was stolen from cryptocurrency exchanges. Avoidance tip. Choose reputable exchanges with strong security measures like two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist options. Phishing scams. These scams are the digital equivalent of a wolf in sheep's clothing. Hackers trick you into revealing your passwords or private keys. Protection tip. Always double-check URLs and be cautious of unsolicited emails or messages. Regulatory risks. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which can lead to abrupt changes in rules and regulations. Avoidance tip. Stay informed about the legal landscape in your region and choose exchanges that comply with local regulations. Blockchain security concerns. 51% attacks. When a single entity controls more than half of a blockchain network's mining power, they can alter transactions. It's like rewriting history. Protection tip. Stick to well-established cryptocurrencies with large decentralized networks to minimize this risk. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. If there's a bug in the code, it's like leaving your front door wide open. Protection tip. Ensure smart contracts are thoroughly audited by security experts before use. Privacy concerns. While blockchain offers transparency, it can also expose your financial activities. Protection tip. Use privacy-focused cryptocurrencies or mixing services to enhance anonymity. Best practices for avoidance, protection, and recovery. Use hardware wallets. Think of them as your cryptocurrency vault. Hardware wallets store your privacy keys offline, away from prying eyes. Regularly update software. Keeping your wallet and exchange apps updated is like regularly changing the locks on your digital doors. Back up your wallet. Create secure backups of your wallet data. It's your insurance policy against loss or theft. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about the latest security threats and trends in the cryptocurrency space. Have a recovery plan. If you fall victim to a hack, act quickly. Contact the exchange, report the theft, and take steps to secure other accounts. Conclusion: cryptocurrencies offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future of finance, but they also require vigilance and care. By understanding the risks and implementing robust security measures, you can enjoy the benefits of this digital revolution without falling prey to its pitfalls. Stay safe, stay secure, and may your digital treasures remain safe and sound. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.